front porch, 8 feet by 24 feet, 4 inches long. I'm going to get wood to screen this. Did some pressure cleaning today. This is a house. It's going to get painted tomorrow. I'm doing the plumbing. Got the sink. It's where the fridge wants by the door, and that's going to be okay. I just put that there. Okay. 1 bedroom. Oh, by the way, just got AC put in Saturday. I'm doing the sink. Going to get the parts. It's all the plumbing too. Wait a minute. Air handler got put in. Larry's boys. They come here. Spent all Saturday here. Well, we put that in. We got all the windows to work. Some screens, some don't have it. So I'm going to end this here. I have no internet and maybe 2G. I got no bars out here. 1, 2, 3 lucky. Y'all have a good one. This is where I'm living, right there. That big old house. And then, guess what? The AC broke in that. Sakes alive.